All right, Sam, you asked for it, buddy. I ain't got my cowboy hat on. Got my toboggan on. Clear my got a cold. Let me clear my throat there. This is good. This is a tough song to sing. We got a cold, but I'm gonna do it for you, buddy. You're my friend. Where the cattle are prowling, the coyotes are howling out under the western sky. The cowboy's singing, his spurs are jingling as down the trail he rides. Well, he rides in the sun till his day's work is done, then he gathers the cattle each fall. Singing his cattle call. Well, the cattle are bedded, on night guard he's headed. Nothing seems to be wrong. Well, he cast up his eyes to the starlit skies, sings to them this song. Well, it's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Singing his cattle call. Singing his cattle call. Rough voice and all, there you are, Sam boy. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy Thanksgiving.